Amid the border tensions between India and China, China has provoked India once again. It has deployed tanks in front of Indian posts in a sign that Beijing is unwilling to reduce tensions along the line of actual control. On your screen now is the exclusive video which shows that China has deployed 30 to 35 tanks opposite Rezangla, Rechinla and Mukhosri locations. These heights were captured by the Indian Army on the 29th and the 30th of August. The Chinese tanks are currently positioned against Indian positions. These tanks are light in weight and made using modern technology. Meanwhile, the Indian forces are fully prepared to give a befitting reply to China in case it resorts to any misadventure. For the first time, the Indian Army has deployed tanks at a height of 17,000 feet to stop Chinese troops from intruding inside Indian territory. The Indian Army has deployed these tanks at the hills of Rezangla, Rechinla and Mukhosri. Few weeks ago, India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, remember, had said that India's handling of the border dispute with China sent a message to the entire world. The Defence Minister had asserted that New Delhi was willing to resolve the issue peacefully with Beijing, but it will not tolerate any harm to its self-esteem. And joining us on the broadcast is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. China and India have engaged in multiple rounds of discussions. China has been trying to send out a message that it wants peace, but look at what's happening at the line of actual control. It's provoking India once again. Siddhant, what are you picking up from the Indian side in terms of any reaction?
Well, Molly, it has been many months now when the standoff started. The standoff started in May and April of 2020, and it still continues. Status quo remains, and the Chinese haven't shown any indication of moving out or returning back to what was the situation previously in the early months of 2020. If you look at these images show that when it comes to the Chinese side, they are continuing to be aggressive when it comes to the Indian forces. We saw how in the month of June 2020, the Galwan incident was something that completely led to a breakdown of a relationship. In a sense, 2020 has been the year of inflection point between Beijing and New Delhi, and despite being the 70th year of the establishment of relationship, which was to be celebrated but wasn't celebrated because of the aggressive action by the Chinese continue to be very aggressive with Indians in various sectors. Now, of course, 2021 today is the first working day of 2021, and this year could, in a sense, decide on where the relationship goes between the two countries. As we know that both sides are having conversation. Just last month, they had the diplomatic level of conversation, and the big focus now is when will the military level conversation take place, because as of now, the conversation hasn't happened at military level for many weeks now, and that could decide what happens next. But by and large, we know when it comes to China, it has its expansionist policy, and it is unlikely that China will take any action that can ease tensions between the two countries, two large countries in Asia.
Right, we're leaving it there for the moment, Siddhant. Thanks very much for those updates for now. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.